Okay, we're sledding in the south today. It's freezing outside. It's like in the 50s. And I came outside to find David and Asher doing this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Whee!
Good job, buddy.
You did it. You ready to go again? You gonna go again?
No, no, no. Are you sure? Looks to me like you want to go again.
He's taking all the safety precautions. He's got his racing shoes, his helmet, Tonka truck,
Right.
and tires properly inflated. Go, 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 go!
Uh-oh. I'm worried he's going to hit the driveway and just go flying. Good job. You want to do it again? What was that? What do you mean no? Uh-oh. Cheesecake, safety dog. I want to check everything out.
Get back in.
One more time. Can you do it one more time? Say help.
Here we go!
Good job. Was that fun? Was that fun? No comment. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Never mind. I'm not going anywhere. Never mind.